benches, benches, benches. Noun. Definition: a long seat for several people, typically made of wood or stone. Example: a park bench. Noun. Definition: a long work table in a workshop or laboratory. Example: a 19th-century wheelwright's bench. Noun. Definition: a judge's seat in a law court. Verb. Definition: exhibit a dog at a show. Example: Affenpinschers and Afghans were benched side by side. Verb. Definition: withdraw a sports player from play. Example: the coach benched quarterback Cunningham in favor of McMahon. Verb. Definition: short for bench press verb. Example: he benched almost 500 pounds.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.